Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this waterfall braided hairstyle. If you want to learn it, keep on watching the video. Start by taking a small section of hair from the front, divide it into 3 equal strands. Now bring the lower strand over the middle strand and then the upper strand over the middle strand. Now you have to leave the lower strand and take a new strand from underneath the braid and bring it over the middle strand. Now add some hair to the upper strand and then bring it over the middle strand. Again leave the lower strand and take a new strand of hair and bring it over the middle strand. Repeat the same steps till you reach the back of your head. Now start making a regular braid. Now just repeat the same steps on the other side. Now tie both of the braids together. Take a small section of hair and hide the rubber band. Now start making a regular French fishtail braid. That's it. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and press the bell icon. Also like, comment and share this video. Thank you.